Welcome, my phone is a Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So, once you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the MIUI 12, so tap on the arrow and select our language. So I'm gonna go with English, tap on next. Now choose your region. This isn't really necessary. It looks like it's picking the region fairly well, so I assume it's using localization, and in this case for you it should be the correct region as well. And from here we can connect to Wi-Fi. Now this is completely optional. If you want to, you can. If you don't have one, or you don't want to connect, you can simply skip it by tapping on the skip button, and the only thing you will miss out is connecting to your Google account, and further in there also having the option to restore the device from a backup located on the Google Cloud. And on the next page we have terms and conditions, so you can use the user agreement right here and read the entire thing right here. As you can see, we just finished reading, and from here we can scroll down and select I have read and agreed to the user agreement and privacy policy, and from here tap on the arrow. Without that we can't really proceed further. Then we have the insert SIM card. This step completely doesn't matter, you can completely skip it and insert SIM card at any moment in time after the setup, and you don't need to do anything. Once you insert a SIM card, it will start working flawlessly. Then we have Google services, so we have things like localization, scanning, and send user and diagnostic data. As you can see, you can tap on the arrow right here and expand basically the overview of this option. Read if you want it or not. For instance, if you don't, you can simply check it off, and then once you scroll down you will have the accept option. And next page, set password. So once you choose to set one, like I'm gonna do right now, it gives you an option between pattern, pin, password. I'm gonna go with a pattern, but it's completely up to you which one you want. And then it gives you the dumbest guide here that you need to remember your password. So let's draw the pattern, redraw it, and try not to forget it. From there, let's tap on the arrow and proceed further. So now we have additional settings. So again, location, which we already had before from Google, user experience, programs. So you can again view details to read a little bit more comprehensive overview of this option and choose if you want it or not. And then below that we have send diagnostic data automatically. We already had the diagnostic data again and the Google automatic system updates. Now this is optional if you want it or not. Then personalized ads. Personally I hate this. It basically scans what you're doing on your phone and what you're searching for, and then uses that data to give you ads that would kind of go along with what you were searching for. I just genuinely don't like this. Now I'm not really sure what the wallpaper carousel is. Get current images. I guess again up to you. From here let's tap on the arrow, choose our theme. So we have the limitless or the classic. As you can see, the difference is primarily in the wallpaper and the icon shape. So limitless has all kinds of different icon shapes, while the classic is more of a rounded corner squares. So choose whichever one you want and then tap on the arrow, and again arrow once you see the setup completed. Now once you do, it will give you a loading apps, something that apparently it couldn't be done throughout the setup. So right here we're going to be waiting about a minute or so for it to load the apps. And once it's done, you can see that it boots into Android and we're done with the setup. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.